What's up guys, this is obviously Like Crypto here, and today I'm going to be doing a sponsored review out of a project called DepinSIM, which is the world's first decentralized connectivity infrastructure network, which has different capabilities such as running your own eSIMs inside their Ton mini app, which we are going to be looking into in a second. But first I want to break down what exactly is this project about and what are they building. So DepinSIM has an eSIM technology. So when we have our own phone numbers, obviously we have a SIM card slotted inside the phone, but there's also the ability to now create eSIMs. And this is a technology that is available on a lot of the newer phones. So not every phone is basically able to use the eSIM technology, but you can basically say goodbye to your existing phone numbers that you have with your local providers. Now you can basically start for free getting your own data plans for your eSIM, so you can use to receive, messages to verify your Twitter accounts or exchange accounts. It's a very, very nifty technology to have spare phone numbers, because a lot of the services that I have used in the Web 2 space are kind of costly and they're kind of shady, and the services are not maybe as intuitive as I would like them to be. So essentially inside this wallet, it's basically functioning as a Ton wallet at the same time. So you're able to use Ton to buy more data plans. You also have a multitude of different ways to earn more data plans inside them. And there's also a roaming data mining machine. So DepinSIM's eSIM function as an AI mining machines, allowing users to use idle computing buffer for decentralized mining. Participants can engage in proof of work or POS mining and earn rewards. So basically, if you have a data plan which you're not using too much, you have the ability to basically earn some extra on the side by using this application. And as it says, mobile DID, users can use their eSIM number to verify their identity in crypto transactions, access dApps, interact within DepinSIM ecosystem securely and conveniently. And then they are building also some AI stuff. I mean, basically everyone are these days. And then there's also dApp Explorer inside the application, which you are able to access throughout their service. And they are building on Ton, as we already mentioned, which is one of the more, Telegram is a big application, obviously already. It's very easy to use and easy to access, and setting up your own Ton wallet is obviously easiest too. And I probably know that most of my followers already have their own Ton wallets and know how easy it's basically to use them on desktop or mobile. Now, inside the application, you can do a bunch of different tasks, and these will give you Ton rewards. You also get points, and these points are accumulating you also Airdrop points. And then you obviously get data plans. So I think you can get a starter 1 gigabyte of data by signing up on the link down below in the description. So make sure you do that. And you can use this roaming data over 200 different countries and regions, pay as you go, offering affordable rates as $2 per gigabyte. And I don't know if that's a good rate or not, but I think it's a flexible number and probably changes quite a lot differing the regions. But it's not something that I pay attention a lot when I'm abroad, so I don't know much about that. And then there's a VIP membership, which allows you to get your own eSIM and more data, and we're going to be looking into those tiers in a second. And then there's the data marketplace, where you're able to basically use your own physical SIM or eSIM to basically sell out data, which is also very interesting. So there's kind of like a marketplace to make money here and use it for yourself. And there's a lot of ways to make money with phone numbers and things like that, and something like worth exploring in the world. And they are also doing monetizing your global footprint, so geo-targeted ads, location rewards. That kind of reminds me a lot of those early crypto apps, which would basically make you to go a certain location to basically get a token reward. Those were kind of fun. And then we have the roadmap. So currently we are in September, so the mobile DID and the payment network. Next year, we're going to be getting the decentralized protocol. There's going to be hardware sales, and then they're going to be applying for a tier 1 mobile service provider license. I don't know what exactly that will be entailing, but I guess more partnerships and more potential data plans available inside the application and beyond, worldwide free roaming network. So basically, nowhere you go, you can use this eSIM to use it as your data plan in any place in the world. And that's a pretty lucrative idea, because sometimes when you go overseas, the rates can be really bad depending on your provider. But let's look into, there's also a white paper which kind of goes into a lot of the documentation. It could take 2 hours, 3 hours to basically go on absolutely everything here. But in case you want to learn a bit more about beyond this video, I definitely recommend checking out their white paper over here and roadmap, and basically explains everything that they are doing. But let's kind of now open up the actual application here. So this is what the interface looks like, and what I like about here from the get-go is that it runs on desktop and also on mobile. I hate mobile applications on ton, which are mobile exclusive. And so there's basically a simple auto tapper. You can also toggle this in and it will tap for you. So that's something that I recommend using. One of the cool things that you can do here is you can get actual USDT rewards by inviting people over. So you get 15 cents per user. This is capped at 5 users. And then you have the ability to withdraw those rewards, or I believe you can also use that inside the actual application to get the data plans. And there are a bunch of different tasks over here which you can do. And by just launching these applications, you're going to be getting different types of rewards. So here we are getting the points, but we are also getting megabytes in terms of data plans. So that's kind of cool in my opinion. So we're getting 2 different things by completing these different types of tasks inside the application. You know, it's a pretty regular type of stuff. Then there is the market plan. And here is like, it shows my main data, and then it's the total profit on the tokens. And here I have the ability to, okay, I want a roaming data plan from Switzerland, and here I can get it for 9,000 points, or sorry, 10 USDT, 1 gigabytes, and this covers 55 different countries, and this is valid for 30 days. And there are different types of plans available here, and I'm pretty sure that is going to be expanding as more time goes on. And then you can choose whether it's data only or data calls. Okay, this is going to be a lot more expensive over here, but this is $250. And then there is obviously IoT connectivity that is coming soon, and these other location rewards and those things that we kind of mentioned, those are coming in the future. But right now there is a bit of data options over here. Then there is the Airdrop dApp, and here you can basically connect your wallet. And obviously more points that you're going to be accumulating over here is going to be getting you a higher airdrop when that's going to be taking place. And I believe that with their own token, you also will have the ability to basically buy data plans with that token as well. That's a speculation on my part. By the way, they probably should change the Bitcoin icon, because people are thinking, oh, I'm getting 7 million Bitcoin here. No, that is just the token. And then there is the eSIM. So I basically got a plan over here. So this is a plan that I have. I have a phone number. Actually, this is the one. So this is 1 gigabytes of an eSIM, and I can activate. So basically I just open up the application, and then I just hit install. It will give me a QR code. I scan the QR code, and then it will activate this eSIM inside my phone, and I can use that instead of my normal SIM plan. So that's actually pretty cool in my opinion. I don't know what is the actual list of the countries here we have. So these are the 55 countries. So pretty much a lot of, you know, all the most biggest countries over here, and these are the countries that are going to be added up in the future. So they're going to be expanding the more countries and regions in this list. So overall, it's a very interesting project in my opinion. It's a very unique idea in the sense that there's nobody really doing eSIMs in the crypto space. And I think there's a lot of way to go, because we're still kind of living in the DePin craze, and DePin is going to be keeping up, getting bigger and better. So this is one of those things that I definitely recommend joining into. And, you know, you're going to be getting free gigabytes by just joining in. And tell me what you feel about the actual application on the comment section below after you've tested it. Is the eSIM working on your phone or not? But that's basically what I have to share you about the DePin. You can find all the necessary links down below in the description about the application and all its functionalities. And make sure to obviously use my link, so I will be getting the credits for your signing up. Thanks for watching. I will be seeing you in the next video when it will be dropping out. Cheers.